Good morning everyone. I am Professor Bankar DB, Department of Chemistry, RBNB College, Serampur. In this lecture, we will going to learn some more important protecting group for the amino functional group. We will start with Boc protection. Boc protection, that is tertiary butoxycarbonyl. Tertiary butoxycarbonyl. So this Boc protection belongs to the carbamate protection. Boc protection belongs to the carbamate protection, that is NCOOR. NCOOR. So amines can be protected using Boc. In that particular reaction sequence, amines are allowed to react with di-tertiary butyl dicarbonate reagent. Amines are allowed to react with di-tertiary butyl dicarbonate reagent, that is Boc twice oxygen. Boc twice oxygen. This particular reaction is performed under basic condition. In that particular, triethylamine is used in presence of catalytic amount of DMAP. So these are basic condition required for the protection of amine using Boc reagent. So we will learn the detailed reaction. Consider this type of amine. This is primary amine. That oxygen has lone pair of electron. So that amine is allowed to react with Boc twice oxygen reagent, that is di-tertiary butyl dicarbonate reagent. So amines are allowed to react with di-tertiary butyl dicarbonate reagent in presence of triethylamine and DMAP, that is NN-dimethylaminopyridine. So this electron pair on nitrogen attack on the carbonyl carbon. So during this attack, this type of reaction takes place and this group undergo removal. So we have next structure. We have this type of intermediate form, that nitrogen form bond with carbonyl carbon. This is tertiary butyl group. So this group will be removed as O minus, C double bond O, oxygen, tertiary butyl group. This O minus take this particular proton and there is neutralization of positive charge on the nitrogen. So we get R CH2 NH C double bond O tertiary butyl group. So in this way we can write down this structure as NH Boc. So this particular this particular part of this structure can be written as NHBOC. So in this way, the electron pair on nitrogen is engaged in the resonance with carbonyl group. Therefore, it is not available for the donation. Hence, it is protected. Then this O minus take this proton and there is formation of OH, C double bond O, O tertiary butyl group. There is loss of CO2 molecule plus there is formation of tertiary butyl alcohol. So these are the side product which are formed during this type of protection of the amine functional group. Consider next example. This is amino acid. It should be noted that most of the functional group for NH2 plays an important role in the amino acid synthesis, or we can say in the peptide synthesis. Most of the amino protecting group plays an important role in the peptide synthesis. So this is example of amino acid. That amino acid is allowed to react with reagent oxygen C double bond O, oxygen C double bond O, oxygen, like that. So this is Bock twice oxygen reagent. So this amino functional group can be protected as Bock. Here we use basic reaction condition. That acid group remains as it is, and that nitrogen electron pair is protected by resonance effect. So we can write down this structure as NH Bock. This Bock group can be deprotected using acidic condition. Here we use trifluoroacetic acid in CH2Cl2 solvent. So this Bock group is protected using acidic condition. For instance, in this particular case, we use trifluoroacetic acid in CH2Cl2 solvent. We get original amino acid molecule, and that particular group undergo cleavage. We will see the mechanism of deprotection. Consider one example. NH C double bond O, O tertiary butyl group. So this is one example. We use trifluoroacetic acid. We can use acetic acid in water. Here we use acetic acid, water. Look at the mechanism. That electron pair is in resonance with the carbonyl group, and that oxygen take the proton from acid. There is formation of R, CH2, NH, double bond C, OH, and we have oxygen with tertiary butyl group. In next step, this group will be removed, that nitrogen carry positive charge. We have R, CH2, NH, double bond C, double bond O intermediate. We have this type of intermediate in this particular case, plus there is formation of OH, tertiary butyl group, that is tertiary butanol. In this particular case, we use aqueous medium, so that oxygen electron pair attack at this particular carbon. This type of resonance will be takes place, and there is formation of RCH2, NH, C double bond O, OH. So this type of intermediate is unstable, so it undergo decomposition into the next product, that is RCH2, NH minus. There is loss of CO2 gas. This, or we can write down in this way, this N minus take the proton from the medium, and there is formation of RCH2, NH2. So in this way, we deprotect the Bock functional group using acidic condition. Next functional group or protecting group is FMOC. Next group is FMOC. In bracket we can write down fluorenyl, methoxy, carbonyl. Fluorenyl, methoxy, carbonyl. Consider example in which NH2 group is protected by using FMOC reagent. Suppose here we have example of amino acid is allowed to react with this type of compound. Oxygen, C double bond O, Cl. Name of this compound is fluorenyl methoxy, carbonyl chloride. Fluorenyl methoxy, carbonyl chloride. This compound can be written as FMOC-Cl, that is fluorenyl methoxy carbonyl chloride. This is methoxy carbonyl chloride. So this electron pair on nitrogen is attack at this particular carbonyl group, and there is removal of Cl. In this particular case, we use this type of base, that is piperidine. Here we use piperidine as a base. In this particular case, this electron pair on nitrogen attack at this carbonyl carbon. There is loss of Cl minus. That Cl minus take the hydrogen from NH2 and there is formation of Cl. So there is removal of HCl molecule which can be stabilized, which can be neutralized by this particular base. So we have this type of structure NH, C double bond O, then oxygen, CH2, 5-membered ring which is present in between the two 6-membered rings. In short, we can write as FMOC. Again, in this particular case, the electron pair on nitrogen is engaged with the carbonyl group by resonance effect. That is, the amine functional group is protected by electronic effect by resonance effect. In general, we can write down as this is amide functional group and that electron pair is in resonance with the carbonyl group. NHCO minus, like that. Again, this FMOC protecting group plays an important role in the solid phase peptide synthesis. Then we will learn the deprotection of this FMOC group. We will see the deprotection of this particular group. NH, C double bond O, oxygen, 5-membered ring, 2 6-membered rings. For the deprotection purpose, we use this base. Here we have hydrogen. That hydrogen is taken by base. There is formation of carbanion. There is formation of stable carbanion. This carbanion is stabilized by resonance effect of 2 benzene rings. We get C double bond O, OH, NH, C double bond O, O minus. This group will be removed, plus here we have CH2. Again, this is unstable intermediate. It undergo cleavage and we have NH minus as a side, as a one intermediate. Again, there is removal of CO2 gas. This N minus take the H plus from the medium, and again we get original amino acid molecule. So in this way we deprotect the FMOC protecting group using this type of piperidine base. Then we will see the next protecting group for the NH2. Next group is trityl protection. We protect NH2 by using trityl chloride. We can use trityl alcohol. We have already learned this protecting group in case of hydroxyl. Here we use RNH2 plus we use trityl chloride in presence of base. Suppose here we use triethyl amine. There is formation of RNH, C, PH, PH and PH. As we have seen in previous 2 to 3 example that electron pair on nitrogen is protected by electronic effect. Look at this particular structure. In this particular case, that amino functional group is protected by steric effect of these 3 particular benzene rings. This trityl group can be deprotected by using H2PDC, or there can be used acetic acid, can be used sulfuric acid with water as a deprotecting condition. So this bond undergo cleavage and there is formation of original alcohols. So this is protecting step, this is deprotecting step. In next lecture we will going to learn protection for the carboxylic group, that is acid group. So in next lecture we will start with carboxylic protecting group. Here I will stop. Thank you.